I did. Watch this one. Watch what he does. Watch out. That's how bad I want to jump too. Okay, watch out, son. Now that's enough now. Can't get me when I'm worn out. Here he comes. Okay. Dang! He did a no foot. Oh my God! Jeez, you see that kid? He did a no footer, son. You want to hit that jump?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can we go get our